Today's mission is a Honda Accord. It's a nice vehicle. Unfortunately, the clamps on the battery are not doing so good. As you can see, it's broken. So we're going to need to cut that off and put a new clamp on there. So that's what I'm going to show you today. Went to AutoZone, got these clamp pullators, and we'll just snip that off. Maybe even snip this other one off right here and put some new ones on. Although this one looks okay, it is all the way tightened down, so that's been stretched out pretty good. And then we'll have a nice fresh clean connection on the battery. Alright, let's just start by making sure that fits on there, and it sure does. Definitely be able to tighten that down. So we'll unscrew these parts and get the wires from here inside of there, clamp it down real good, and that should be it. Difficult task is going to be to get that snipped off with the bare wire, so I'm going to do that right now. Alright, got the old tin snips here. Took that old piece off. Now we'll find that again. Whoops. So yes, I snipped those off, and now I'm going to strip these back a little bit so that I can put them together inside of this, and that should be pretty much it. Take a few minutes, show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, so I got this one pulled back a little bit, and I pretty much just grabbed it with some needle nose pliers and was able to roll it back, just kind of strip it back a little bit. So hopefully that'll be enough to get into the clamp, and then we'll have a new connector for the positive. Sounds good, looks good, is good. Here we go to try it. Alright, I got the new wires fed into there, and now I just need to get that clamp to fully seat here, and then I can put the other one on and should be good to go. Okay, as you can see, they're both strapped in there pretty nicely, so let's go start her up. Alright, let's see it. That's a good sign. Starts right up. Perfect. Alright, another happy customer. If you're enjoying any of these, feel free to like and subscribe. We'll throw some more DIY out there. Have a great day.